Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. We are from Group 1C. Today our topic is overview of database system. Before we talk about database themselves, it's important to start with our basics, and that is understanding the difference between data and information. Okay, data refers to raw facts. This can be numbers and dates or any unprocessed details that don't tell us anything by themselves. For example, 120 is a number like Ali and date are all just data. But when we organize and process data to give it meaning, it becomes information. For example, Ali scored 120 marks in the final test. It's meaningful information. It's help us understanding something and make decision. But organization need information, not just a data to function properly. Business use information to track sales, university use information to manage students, and hospital use it to monitor patient. And all of this show how important it is to manage data properly. Now, before database exist, people use different of method called the file system. Esther will explain that next.
Thank you, Logan. Before databases were introduced, information was stored using file system. This means data was kept in separate files and folders, often created by different departments. But file system had many problems. One major issue was data redundancy, which means the same data was stored in many places. This led to data inconsistency, where different files show different information. Another problem was that updating data was difficult. If a student changed their address, every file had to be updated manually. Security was also weak, and searching for information was slow because everything had to be done manually. Because of this limitation, organizations need a better solution, which led to development of databases and DBMS.
Okay, thank you for Esther. Now I want to explain what is a database. A database is an organizer collection of related data. It stores both the data itself and the metadata with describe the data. What is a DBMS? To manage a database, we use a database management system or DBMS. This is software that allows users to store, update, delete, and retrieve data easily. But DBMS has many advantages, such as improved security, reduced data redundancy, better data consistency, fast data searching using SQL, and support multiple users at the same time. Overall, the DBMS make the data management faster, safe, and more efficient compared to the old file system. And now I pass to Kang Sen for explain the last part.
Thanks, Daniel. Database come in several types. For example, we have single user and multi-user database, centralized and distributed database, and operational database for daily work versus data warehouse used for analysis. Database also handle different kinds of data. Structured data is stored in table. Unstructured data includes things like videos and image, and semi-structured data includes formats like XML or JSON. Finally, database design is very important. A well-designed database ensures first, fast performance, accurate information, and easy maintenance. A poorly designed one can cause errors and slow down the entire system. In conclusion, database systems solve the problem of old file system and provide a secure, organized, and efficient way to manage data. Thank you for watching our presentation.